Hi, okay, so it is day one of my December vlogs. So I'm going to try to vlog every single day until like the 20-somethingth and tell you about what I did and what I'm working on and the projects that I'm trying to finish and the books that I'm trying to read and all of that fun stuff. So yeah, I've got my Kindle ready. I am gonna do an updated one of these tonight, I think. So I might record part of that for you. And I'm knitting on, well, you can't really see because it's dark. It's Seattle right now. It's the big dark in Seattle, so you won't be able to see colors. But there's colors to it. It looks black, but there's beautiful colors in it. But yeah, I'm going in to read Fallon Ballard's new book. It comes out tomorrow, and then I am gonna knit on that for a little bit tonight, and I might make a Kindle case cover thing. So probably should have recorded this morning, but I had to jump right into work, so here we are. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'll add in any footage if I record anything, and if not, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Hi, welcome back to day two. So I did not get anything read last night. I grabbed my knitting and then I got distracted by hockey. So that's what I did. But I do have two books that I have to read tonight. They're both novellas, so I should get them both done tonight. One's from Brittany Ann and one's from Bailey Seaborn, so I'm gonna get those done. And then I'm gonna keep knitting on this. Let's see, can you see the colors in it today? Maybe there's enough sunlight. Anyway, I'm working on this. I'm only 3 rows away from folding the hem and putting it together and working on the body. So really close to that. Yeah, that's pretty much all. I mean, I've been working today. It's another work day. Hung out in a co-working stream so I could get some stuff done. And now I'm here. So I'm gonna go read and wait for Sean to get home, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye. Hi, okay, so it's day three of the vlog. I just got home. I had to go and get my ID updated, and then I had a mental breakdown in the middle of it because they told me I had the wrong documents. I did not have the wrong documents. I had the right ones, and it took their manager telling them like, hey, they're right, give them their ID. So we got that all taken care of. I was gonna vlog that like when I was there because I was knitting when I was there, but there was this sweet person sitting next to me and all they wanted to do was ask me questions about my knitting. So, but I brought my Kindle pouch with me. I don't have much left on that. Like, Kindle, hold on. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. We're gonna try without ripping the needles out. And then we slide that in there. My Cora's sitting underneath me trying to figure out who I'm talking to right now. There. And that's not like, it's still, it's closer to the top than it looks. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and finish that up this week. I'm working on that tank top still, but I know like that's not like a mandatory project. That's just a fun project right now. So none of these are mandatory. They're all my projects, like, but some of them I want to get done before others. So, but yeah, so I got my ID. I had my meetings today. I got some graphics made for work. I worked on my knitting a little bit at the Department of Licensing. Keep wanting to call it the DMV. So, and then I got a new watch, so this will be in videos. It's just like a Fitbit, so, but my doctor recommended one to watch my heart, so I got one. Yeah, but yeah, that's, oh, and I got twinkle lights for my bookshelf. I think they're very pretty. I didn't get them, I found them in my box, but I got them out of storage and put them around my, they change. I didn't know that. They just went faster. But yeah, so that is my day today, and I guess I'll see you back here tomorrow. Okay, bye. Hi, okay, so we're back. Today's day 4 of my daily vlogging, everything I'm doing during the day. So I worked all day, and then I started, okay, so I got my tank tops hem done, and now I'm just joining them together because it's a folded hem thing. So I have to like fold it in half and pick up stitches. There you go. You can kind of see the color tonight. Okay, anyway, I'm working on that. I'm also working on my curtsy collar. I got a couple rows, it's all twisty. A couple rows done on this. So we're getting caught up and I'm very excited about that. And then here in a little bit, I'm gonna work on these gloves because I need to get the thumbs done. And then I'm almost done with 2 novellas. So I started them, and then I think I'm gonna just watch hockey and like read after I get a couple more rows done, or start the thumbs on my gloves. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do that, and that way I can tell you about the books tomorrow. Yeah, I think that's all I did today. I really didn't do much. I got a couple like shorts recorded, but it's, what time is it? It's like 6:30 and it's so dark outside. Like I have illuminated by like my ring light, and I have lights on the wall, and it's still dark in here. Yeah, so that is day 4. I'll be back here tomorrow with day 5, which is actually in like 2 seconds for you. So see you in a second. Hi, okay, so yes, I missed Friday and Saturday. That's totally on me. One Friday, I didn't realize what time it was, and then it was bedtime. And then yesterday, I didn't record because I was like locked in. Like, I got so much stuff done yesterday. So let's get into what I worked on. I got a few more rows seamed on my granny square blanket, and now we're working on that side, this side. One of these sides, this side, maybe. I don't know, I'm seaming one of them together, and I can't remember where we're at. Over here? Oh, we're right here. So we're going this way and seaming all of those up, and then put a border on it real quick. It's just gonna be a simple single crochet, blanket will be done. We should get that done by the end of the year. I'm so excited. The next project that I finished for part of it, not all of it, is I got the I-cord bind off done on, let's focus, on my fingerless gloves up here. Now I just have the thumb left, but they fit really good. I just gotta do that. And this yarn, it's Orb Weaver by Apple Blossom Yarns. They still have some in their shop. So it's their birthday celebration. You should go get some. But yeah, got this. I've just got to work on the thumb and then the other one. So that probably won't get done before the end of the year, but it might if I sit down and focus. The other project that I'm almost done with is my Kindle pouch. I literally have it done. I just need to do like this much, and it's just the like lace work around the top so I can weave the I-cord in so it'll cinch shut. So this will probably get done today on stream. I'm gonna work on this. And then my last project I was working on is May's blanket. So we got some more done on the baby blanket. We started going around again. But yeah, and I got this really cool thing from Twice Sheared Sheep. It's called a yarn gator. Hold on, let me see if I can push it down. Yeah, yarn gator, and they're made for colorway. I got mine in my advent calendar, but I think they're gonna be on the website in January. But this is perfect for color work, and I'll show you really quick. So you unclip it from the paper, and it looks like this, sparkly. And then you unhook this side, and this opens up, and you can put your yarn in here without having to cut it. And then once you lace your yarn through, you put your little claw clip back in, and then these little doodads, get your project bag, and they clip onto your project bag, if my hands will function, and then it holds your yarn for you in your project bag. So then when you're done, you just unhook it, let your yarn out, close your bag up, you're good to go. So I got that for May's blanket because I have 4 colors that I keep changing, and it's driving me bonkers. So I was really excited that I got that in my advent. Twice Sheared Sheep did a great job on their calendar, so when that video comes out on the 26th, I highly recommend you going to check that out. But yeah, that was my week. I did not get any reading done. Well, that's a lie. I started reading, but I didn't finish any reading. Hopefully today and tomorrow I should get 2 of my novellas done. I was making this week. So that's what I have been up. Next week is gonna be pretty busy, so we should get a bunch done. I have a lot of plans, and I think that's it. All right, pals, I will see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you wanna see other things, like if you wanna see more day-to-day, I just didn't know what to record. I didn't know if you wanted to like see me working on stuff and then just like voice over parts of it. So let me know what you're looking for. Next week's will be a little bit different, and I will see you then. Bye.